Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying safe and good at home. So, let's just start today's class. My name is Ayushi and I'm from Kendriya Vidyalaya, Bulandshahr Shift 2. So, do you know today what are we going to do? We are going to learn subtraction. It is the chapter from class 1 mathematics. Okay, let's just move ahead. So, these are the basic competencies that we are going to cover in this session. The first one is forming numbers. The second one is understanding basic concept of subtraction. The third one is ability to compute, and the fourth one is problem solving ability. So these are some targeted learning outcomes that we will cover in this lesson. The first one is concept of subtraction. Second is basic understanding of subtraction. Third is subtraction of single digit numbers. Fourth is problems on subtraction of daily life situations. And fifth one is difference between addition and subtraction. So let's just move ahead and see what are the suggestive activities. There are a lot of suggestive activities, but in this session we will cover some of them. The first one is activity method. The second one is playway method. The third one is demonstration method. And the fourth one is storytelling method. So let's just start subtraction, class 1, chapter number 4. So students, do you know what is subtraction? Do you have any idea about subtraction? Okay, let me just tell you. Subtraction means to take away. Subtraction means to remove. Subtraction means to minus. Minus is the another name of subtraction. So, do you know what does a minus sign look like? Okay, let me tell you. So, minus sign look like this. As you can see in this picture, this small red horizontal line is a minus sign. This small red horizontal line is a minus sign. So, let's just see some of the example of subtraction so that we can understand it better. So, here we can see a tree and some oranges are also there. So, there is a girl here. So let's just start counting these oranges so that we can know how many oranges are there. 2, 3, 4 and 5. So total 5 oranges are here. So now what just happened, this girl is really very hungry and she wants to eat an apple. She wants to eat an orange. She wants to eat an orange. If this girl eats one orange like this, so how many oranges are left now? So we will count them like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say we have left now 4 oranges. Like this. We can say 5 minus 1 equals to 4 oranges. 5 minus 1 equals to 4 oranges. Let's just see other example of this. 5 minus 2 equals to 3. 5 minus 2 equals to 3. So how? You must be wondering how. So let's just see demonstration for this. You can see some checks are here like this. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So there are total 5 checks. So from these checks, 2 checks have been taken away like this. 1, 2. So do you know how many now left with us? So we have left now with 1, 2, 3. We have left now with 3 checks. Now 3 checks have remained. So we can say 5 minus 2 equals to 3. 5 minus 2 equals to 3. Let's just see another example. Here is an underwater picture. This is an underwater picture. Here we can see some fishes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. From these 6 fishes, some fishes have been taken away like this. 1, 2, 3. So 3 fishes have been taken away. Now can you tell me how many fishes are left now? So we can say we have left now 1, 2, 3 fishes. We have left 3 fishes now. That means 6 minus 2 equals to 3. 6 minus 3 equals to 3. 6 minus 3 equals to 3. So we can say when 3 fishes taken away out of 6 fishes, we have left with 3 fishes. Let's just see another example. Here you can see some trays are here. In these trays, some bottles are also there like this. In the tray 1, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4. We can see 4 bottles, out of which some bottles have been taken away to the tray number 1, like this. 1, 2, 3. So 3 bottles have been taken away out of 4 bottles from tray 1. So can you tell me now how many bottles are left with now? Are left with us? We can say we are left with 1 bottle. So here you can see 4 bottles are here in the tray number 1. 3 bottles taken away. So we have left with 1 bottle. 1 bottle remain. That means 4 minus 3 equals to 1. 4 minus 3 equals to 1. So let's move ahead. Here you can see a beautiful picture of some flowers. If there is flowers, then butterflies also come here now. So like this, some butterflies are coming here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So total 9 butterflies are here. Total 9 butterflies are here. What just happened, after some time these butterflies started flying away. These butterflies started flying away like this. 3 butterflies fly away like this. 1, 2, 3. So total 3 butterflies fly away. So now there are total 6 butterflies. Let's just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we can say 9 minus 3 equals to 6. We can say 9 minus 3 equals to 6. So let's just see other examples. Here you can see a beautiful garden. Here is a hut and some trees are also there. Oh, what can we see? A bird is coming here. Number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are total 7 birds are sitting here. Total 7 birds are sitting here. After some time, these birds started flying away like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that means total 7 birds were sitting there. Now, total 7 birds fly away. These total 7 birds flew away. So, can you tell me if all the birds fly away, how many birds are left? Can you tell me? Any guesses? So, let me just tell you. Here, this is the garden. Now, it has no bird here. There is no bird sitting now. No bird is sitting now. So, we can say 7 minus 7 equals to 0. 7 minus 7 equals to 0, as we cannot see any bird here. So that means 7 minus 7 equals to 0. Let's just move ahead. Here you can see there are 5 bananas in the basket. There are 5 bananas in the basket. Let's just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total 5 bananas are here. we can say, if the boy doesn't eat any banana, if this boy who is standing in this room, he doesn't eat any banana, how many bananas are left in the basket? Any guesses? Can you tell me how many bananas are left now? So, we can say total 5 bananas in the basket. Total 5 bananas in the basket. That means 5 minus 0 equals to 5. 5 minus 0 equals to 5. So, this is all what we have learnt. So, can you tell me what we have learnt? Do you remember what we have learnt in the previous clips? Okay, let me just tell you. We have learnt 5 minus 1 equals to 4. 5 minus 2 equals to 3. 6 minus 3 equals to 3. 4 minus 3 equals to 1. 9 minus 3 equals to 6. 7 minus 7 equals to 0. 5 minus 0 equals to 5. So this is what we have learnt. I hope you all have understand the basic term about subtraction. So now this is your turn. You will tell me 7 minus 4 equals to what? This is the question for you students now. 7 minus 4 equals to what? 9 minus 5 equals to what? So this is the question for you all. So